This is Lisa. She's a 1.5-year-old female. Came to CGPR as a stray, so we don't know anything about her background except that she was found loose in a parking lot in the Kernersville area. She couldn't be sweeter, however, has a lovely disposition. The volunteers here have grown very attached to her. She did come in a heartworm positive, and she has been treated. She's on her last week or so of rest, and so she'll be available for her forever home during the last week of April. She's been nicknamed Lisa Lou because she is a country girl at heart. She loves being brushed, loves being groomed, and then loves running right outside and getting in the dirt. So if you want an energetic young female to hike with you, keep you company while you're gardening, help you dig in the dirt, come meet Lisa Lou.